Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to use Blue Cat's audio to enhance your bass. Let's listen to what we have. So for this demonstration, we'll use Destructor. We'll start first with the preamp section. I will set my bass to -4 and my mids to around -10. I'll leave my treble at 0. Next, we're going to set our gate section. I will set my release to max, my attack to minimum, and for our compression section, we'll put our attack at around 21 and we'll set our release to around 43. First, we'll set our oversampling to ×4 and we'll set our attack to around 12 milliseconds. And I'm going to set our range to around 20%. We'll leave it symmetric. We'll set this to 25% and we'll set this to around 7%. We'll set our drive to around 1.5 and we're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.